if you're charged as an underage person, much like an adult, of driving under the influence, there are a bevy of potential defenses. The standardized field sobriety tests have been around since the 1970s, and the last time they were validated were in the 1990s. Your phones have changed, your cars have changed, everything in your life has changed since the 1970s, and since the 1990s, pre-internet. So pre-internet, they decided these things were still good. And it is an antiquated law that is standardized in the exact same way it was in the 1970s and the 1990s. So there are many defenses. People that have physical inabilities, people that are overweight. It wouldn't apply to juveniles, but people that are over a certain age, these tests simply are not valid on certain types of people. And you could fall into one of those categories. Another defense could potentially be that you weren't drinking. Some people may have particular personality quirks, or they could have injuries or disabilities that make them seem under the influence. I've worked on several cases where people with traumatic brain injuries, young people with traumatic brain injuries, were thought to be driving under the influence. Or somebody whose psychiatrist or their doctor prescribed them Ambien, and they had several cases where people were sleep driving. Well, there's a question as to whether they wanted to be driving. Are they criminally culpable if they didn't intend to be driving? That it was they had no idea that it was going on? Some people wake up on the side of the road in the custody of police and have no idea what happened under no fault of their own. There are a bevy of different types of defenses to driving under the influence. And that's why you need a competent attorney. We would love to help you at your Lawyers at the Beach. If we can help you, we definitely will. We'd love to. This is what we do, and helping people is our primary goal. If you have any questions whatsoever about your DUI charge, or if you're charged with any criminal offense in South Carolina, particularly driving under the influence, give us a call. We're your Lawyers at the Beach, and we're always here to help.